Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 real world asset tokens by, well, not by market cap, under 2 billion market cap. We are going to start outside of the top 50. ALGO run, followed by XDC, Maker, Injective, Quant, IOTA, PENDLE, Reserve Rights, XLR, and we'll end with Synthetics at number 10. Let's get straight into it. ALGO against BTC. Here we are for ALGO. Anything for ALGO? No. Is ALGO in a bullish or bearish trend? Obviously, it's in a bearish trend. ALGO has a knack of breaking the skinny incline, but comes back down as up, and then it's down and up. Ooh, could there still be another long journey down for ALGO? I don't know. Doesn't look good to me. ALGO against USDT. Again, same thing. It's just neither here nor there. Again, a very noisy area over here. So could we still drop a little bit lower first before reversing? Yeah, sure. But from a trading standpoint, there's just nothing much going on for ALGO run. XDC against USD. Here we are for XDC. XDC looks good though. Looks like a W, right? We're still above the skinny pink line, which means that XDC's trend is still bullish. XDC, to be honest, right, could be completing a squeeze here. But of course, it's still early days, right? If this were to be a squeeze, this is like, I don't know, 10%. There's still a long way to go, right? Again, there's a long week towards this downside, so we might just cross 6 cents again. But from a trading standpoint, there's just nothing much for us to work with. XTC had a very nice inverse head and shoulders over here. Haven't broke out, retest, pump, hit targets, overshot targets. But that was way back in 2023. Maker, okay, I like Maker. BDC pair, you're not gonna see it. You're gonna see it only on the USD pair. So Maker is still in a bearish trend, still largely coming down. We were anticipating this to become a very nice squeeze, right? A, B, C, D, E. Breakout. But nope, we broke down instead. So here we are for Maker. Could Maker be squeezing here? And then we see a breakout to come back up. Whoa. Maker against USD. Okay, this is the gold mine. I still think that Maker is gonna drop to sub 700. 660 maybe 666. We're probably gonna complete a very nice ABCDE, and then we have a nice big breakout towards 10,000. That's my expectation. Yes, no, we're gonna have to wait and see. I still think that we're gonna take out these lows because we're still currently under the skinny pink line, so we will remain with our bearish bias. There was a strong rally that came, but we still stuck to our guns, and we said that more likely than not, we're gonna take this low out. Injective against BDC. Here we are for Injective. Injective doesn't look good. We're back, almost back to the lows over here, the lows of 2022 against USD. Injective, in my opinion, is yeah, more likely than not another deep lower to 760. We're under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish. Could we squeeze here and break out higher? Of course, but we need to see that move happen here, you see. But we could still consolidate and continue lower. I hope not, but we'll have to take things one step at a time. We'll watch out for proper chart patterns. But again, our take is we're gonna head to 760 as it stands. Quant, okay, I like Quant as well. Quant against BDC is clearly under the skinny pink line, severely oversold. You're not gonna see it, it's not so obvious. You're gonna see it on the USD pair. So for Quant, very nice squeeze coming on. A bit slanted. A, B, C, D, very likely a E is about to complete. And then there could be a big breakout to come for Quant. Quant might again mark around the range for a little bit, right? But this is a squeeze to me. Lower highs, I'm gonna assume there's gonna be another lower high. Higher low, I'm gonna assume the next higher low. I mean, of course, we could still take out these lows. And this could still be a squeeze because this is a higher low, right? As long as we don't take out this squeeze. Sorry. As long as we don't take out this low. So yeah, I kind of like what I see on Quant. I think Quant has huge potential for a big move towards the upside. And it's yeah, almost 1B. So could Quant? Okay, it's 500% if we were to go past the top. Is it possible? Of course. Of course. IOTA against USD. We'll look at it on Bitfinex. So IOTA, same thing like Quant. I think there's a very, very, very big squeeze in the making. Very, very, very big. And the targets that we have here, 850 and 24, which we acquired way back in, where is this? December 2024. I still think that eventually we're gonna hit it. This is a very big accumulation that has been in the making. How low could we go? 13 cents or 18 cents right now. Again, under the skinny pink line. So, of course, we'll look out for the lows over here. We're probably gonna clear this though. Yeah, 13 cents. Very likely 13 cents. So, I kind of like what I see on IOTA. IOTA looks good. Quan looks good. Maker looks good. These are the 3 coins. Pendle against USD. Here we are for Pendle. We'll look at it on Cook. Anything? Or should we look at it on Gate? So to me, Pendle. Should we look at it on Binance? EMXC. Okay. Whoa. So Pendle is under the skinny pink line, which is not good. But at the same time, we have been in a very nice squeeze. So this could lead to a breakout. But it will probably be something like an inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, probably going to get hit. Right shoulder, up. If things were to switch bullish, right, we'll probably be mucking around the skinny pink line. Up and down and up and down. But again, we're under it, so we're going to remain with a bearish bias. I have... yeah, kind of like what I see for Pendle. Pendle, from a very low of 3 cents, it rose 20,000% to $7. This is bananas. But yeah, I don't see the reversal. I would have preferred it to be a squeeze, but it's really a lower low. So we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes. So that's Pendle for you. Reserve rights. Let's look at it on the BTC pair. Anything sideways? Yes, no? Not too sure. Reserve rights. Under the skinny pink line. So yeah, it doesn't look good to me. Doesn't look like there's any trade for RSR, so we're just gonna have to move on. XSolar against BTC. XSolar is fairly new, so you're not gonna see much. Still under the skinny pink line, so the trend is still bearish, so be careful about rushing in. Lower low. Could we still hit lower? Sure. We get a descending triangle. Hitting lower? Sure, of course. Anything? Nope. Synthetics against USD. Here we are for synthetics. Anything for us to work with? Coinbase. No. Synthetics on Coinbase. Look at this. The same rise for Pendle. Same banana rise. Again, bearish trend. Consolidation. Rising channel. And continues bearish. Any signs of a reversal yet? Doesn't look like it. We attempted to break above the skinny pink line, but we failed to stay above it. And we just kept going lower. So we keep getting lower lows and lower lows. So to be honest, right, trend is still bearish. And there is the possibility that we could still hit much lower. Right, taking out these classes of cells. I mean, of course, if things start turning bullish here, great. We'll look out for that bullish reversal chart pattern. But yeah, I just don't see it yet. So stay freaking safe. Alright, boys and girls. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.